Very good morning, children. Let us start with the first part of conic, that is ellipse. We already learned if there is a double cone. Sorry, I'm very bad at drawing. Please cooperate. If there is a double cone, and if I cut the plane making certain angle, if I cut this plane making certain angle with the axis of the cone, then the cross section so obtained is called as ellipse. Then the cross section so obtained is called as ellipse. Am I right? This we have studied in the introduction part. So we have studied three parts of conic. One is parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. We also know that for ellipse, the eccentricity, or we call it as the ratio of SP upon PM, should be less than 1. It should be between 0 and 1. The ratio SP upon PM should be between 0 and 1. This is the definition of ellipse. Correct? Now let us try to trace ellipse and then understand certain parameters for ellipse. So to understand ellipse, I'll first assume one of the fixed point S and one of the directrix. One of the fixed line, a fixed line is called as directrix. Okay, fixed line is called as directrix. Similarly, I'll take another replica of this. Let S dash be just a replica of S and D dash be the replica of D. So I've done two directrices and two fixed points. Now I will do from S, I will draw perpendicular to the directrix. I will draw perpendicular to the directrix. Let it meet at Z and Z dash. Let it meet at Z and Z dash. Okay. Now I'll take a point A in the vicinity of SZ. I'll take a point A in the vicinity of SZ such that A divides SZ in the ratio E is to 1. A divides SZ in the ratio E is to 1. Similarly, I'll mark A dash. So see here, A is dividing SZ in the ratio E is to 1 and A dash is dividing SZ. A dash is dividing again SZ externally in the ratio E is to 1. Externally in the ratio E is to 1. ठीक है, A इंटरनल डिवीजन कर रहा है और A dash एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन कर रहा है. Okay. Now to make it simple, I'll assume this perpendicular line to be x-axis. I'll assume that this perpendicular line to be x-axis and I'll assume the midpoint of A and A dash. I'll assume the midpoint of A and A dash to be 0, 0. That is y-axis. Midpoint of A dash is assumed as origin and this is nothing but your y-axis. Okay? Clear till here? I'll just repeat what I said. We had taken a fixed point S and a fixed line D. Then I have drawn perpendicular from S on D, named it as Z. Then I randomly mark the point A which divides SZ in the ratio E is to 1. Now why E is to 1? Because the definition says that any point on the ellipse divides focus and that Z in the ratio E is to 1. Now since I have marked Z line as x-axis, I'll assume coordinates of A to be A, 0. X-axis पर है, तो definitely A, 0 आएगा. So similarly A dash आएगा minus A, 0. Hence O becomes 0, 0. Correct? Now to make it more simpler, I'll take let Z be something K, 0. Let S be something H, 0. Let Z be K, 0. Let S be H, 0. Now my task is to find the value of H and K. So now you know SA upon AZ क्या आएगा? E is to 1. ये हम ही ने बनाया है. So what is the meaning of SA over here? SA square is equal to E square AZ square. क्या आएगा? SA square. Okay, wait, no need to do squaring over here. SA upon AZ is E is to 1. So I'll apply section formula for internal division. If I apply section formula for internal division, तो क्या आएगा? a is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, that is ae plus a is equal to ek, सॉरी प्लस h, 1h आएगा, 1h ek प्लस h. क्या किया मैंने, s a z, जस्ट रिपीट, ये s है, ये a है, ये z है, ये e, ये 1, दिस इज k, 0, दिस इज h, 0, this is a, 0. I applied section formula for internal division. Let us say equation number 1. Similarly, I'll apply section formula for external division. As I said, a dash is dividing sz. A dash is dividing sz in the ratio e is to 1 externally. तो क्या आएगा उसके लिए? Again, a is equal to, sorry, a dash is minus a. I'll just write the coordinates, minus a, 0, h, 0, k, 0. तो minus a is equal to e k, external division है तो minus h upon e minus 1, that is minus ae plus a is equal to e k minus h, equation number 2. ठीक है? So if I solve equation 1 and 2, if I solve equation 1 and 2, that is if I add these two equations, what will I get? I'll just write in the next. My first equation was ae plus a is equal to ek plus h, and second was minus ae plus a is equal to ek minus h. If I add these two equations, ये cancel होगा. 2a is equal to 2ek. In short, I got coordinate, I got k. k कितना आ रहा है? ae. क्या आ रहा है k? ae. Note is किसका coordinate है k? z का. Therefore, z becomes, sorry, a by e. Extremely sorry. Z becomes a by e, 0. Similarly, equation 1 and 2 को if I subtract, instead of adding, if I subtract, my target was to find h and k. So h मिल गया है, sorry, k मिल गया है. I have to find h. So I'll subtract them. So plus, minus, minus, plus. So 2h, 2ae. Therefore h कितना आ रहा है? ae, है ना? So in short, I got the value of s, ae, 0. Correct? So I got s, I got h. Just to figure out, I'll roughly draw the points which you have drawn. Now see, अगर ये e is to 1 है, so by definition a is on ellipse. Correct? By definition I can say a is on ellipse. ठीक है? अब z के coordinates मुझे पता है, so I know the equation of z. क्या आएगा z? x minus a by e equal to 0. Now what will I do? I'll assume any point p on the ellipse. I'll assume that pxy is any point on the ellipse. So I'll find what is sp and what is perpendicular distance pm. क्या फाइंड करूंगा मैं? sp और pm. और मुझे मालूम है डेफिनेशन से sp is equal to epm आएगा. तो sp कितना आएगा? I'll apply distance formula, that is ae minus x the whole square plus y square e. pm क्या आएगा? perpendicular distance. You know how to find perpendicular distance. ये आएगा square root of 1 square plus 0 square, that is a square e square minus 2aex plus y square is equal to e. This will become ex minus a by e, इसका स्क्वायर. ठीक है? तो ये e स्क्वायर और e स्क्वायर कट हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? a स्क्वायर e स्क्वायर e स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर माइनस 2aex प्लस a स्क्वायर. सो 2aex कैंसल. करेक्ट? और प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर आई फॉरगॉट, एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी चिल्ड्रन, प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर मैं भूल गया. सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? आई कैन टेक एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन फ्रॉम हियर, तो क्या बचेगा? 1 माइनस ई स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर कॉमन, 1 माइनस ई स्क्वायर, पूरे इक्वेशन को 1 माइनस ई स्क्वायर से डिवाइड किया, एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर, वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर 1 माइनस ई स्क्वायर is equal to 1. Now to make it simple, we assume that b square is nothing but a square 1 minus e square. Remember a very important formula. हम इस a square 1 minus e square को क्या assume कर रहे हैं? b square. Therefore my equation of ellipse becomes x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. क्या मिला? x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now I know the equation of ellipse. I know focus के coordinates. क्या है focus के coordinates? e, 0. Directrix के coordinates क्या है? a by e, 0. a के coordinates क्या है? a, 0. ठीक है? Let us learn in detail about some parameters of ellipse. Okay. There are two types of ellipse. One is x square up, the equation remains same. Here a is greater than b, so this is horizontal ellipse ऐसा. And here when b is greater than a, it is vertical ellipse ऐसा. ठीक है? I'll just draw a big ellipse so you'll understand. See, this is horizontal ellipse. So these 4 points, a, you remember a, and let us name it as b. ये a dash, ये b dash. So all these 4 points are called as vertices of ellipse. What we call them as vertices of ellipse. A तो you know we had assumed a, 0, a dash minus a, 0. Similarly b and b dash will be 0, b and 0, minus b if it is a greater than b. Okay. Let us first learn everything for a greater than b. So done with vertices. Now this a dash is called as major axis, and if I find its length, it comes out to be 2a, क्योंकि a, 0 है, ये minus a, 0 है. Then b dash is called as minor axis. If I find distance formula, ये आएगा 2b. Then you know we have just assumed b square as a square 1 minus e square, correct? Then focus क्या था मेरा? S and S dash. We knew S was AE, 0, S dash था minus AE, 0. Now, if I want to find what is S dash, S के coordinates मुझे पता है, S dash के coordinates मुझे पता है. If I want to find S dash, I'll apply distance formula. I'll get 2AE. क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 2AE. Then equation of directrix. You know coordinates of Z was a by e, 0. So that equation becomes x equal to a by e, and left side का हो जाएगा x equal to minus a by e. क्या हो जाएगा? 2 directrices आएंगे, एक x equal to a by e and one will be x equal to minus a by e. Again, if you find distance between z and z dash, that is the distance between directrices. Z है a by e, 0, z dash है minus a by e, 0. So we'll get 2a by e. क्या मिलेगा आपको? 2a by e. ठीक है? Clear? And this part is not there. Now let us talk about latus rectum. If you remember, a focal chord which passes through focus and is perpendicular. एक ऐसा chord जो focus से pass हो रहा है and perpendicular है. क्या है? Focus से pass हो रहा है and perpendicular है. That is called as latus rectum. The latus rectum cuts the ellipse at 2 points. One is named as L, other is named as L dash. एक का नाम है L, एक का नाम है L dash. Now see, L dash perpendicular भी है, focus से pass भी हो रहा है, तो L का x coordinate definitely should be same as the focus coordinate. Since L dash is passing through focus, तो L के coordinate x coordinate क्या आएगा? AE. L dash of x coordinate भी क्या आएगा? AE. Now I'll substitute the x coordinate of L. I'll substitute the x coordinate of L in this equation and I'll find the value of y coordinate. So I get b square by a and second will be minus b square by a. अगर ellipse के equation में L के value को डाला AE, तो we'll get the value of y coordinate that comes out to be b square by a. Now, if I want to find distance between L and L dash, you know what is L, you know what is L dash. If you find distance formula, you will get 2b square upon a. What will get? 2b square upon a. The parametric form we'll do later on. Now let us move on to the next 17th point. Very important. Ellipse का S मालूम है. Let us say any point on ellipse. I'll draw ellipse again. ये S है, ये S dash है. Let us say any point P. So I want to find what is SP distance plus S dash P. SP distance plus S dash P. तो आपको S मालूम है, S dash मालूम है, P मालूम है. So apply distance formula to find SP. Apply distance formula to find S dash P. दोनों को ऐड करो. जहां पर A B से बड़ा है, there will get the answer as 2A. क्या मिलेगा आपको डिस्टेंस? SP plus S dash P. SP plus S dash P will come out to be 2A. SP plus S dash P will come out to be 2A. ठीक है? Now same things you will try to find out for ellipse where B is greater than A. अगर B greater than A है, ellipse becomes vertical. I'll draw once more. This will be my ellipse. तो मेरा डायरेक्ट्रिक्स ऐसा आएगा. So my focus is lying on y axis. Focus कहाँ पर lie कर रहा है? Y axis. And directrix are parallel to x axis. Directrices are parallel to x axis. So accordingly, equations will change. Okay. You will try first. If you don't get, you will ask me. Okay. You have to remember this entire table to make your sums solutions more easy. Okay. In the next class, we'll be solving the sums based on these formulas. The most important formula here is b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. Okay.